once this water table lowers, that means you start to expose this peat that's supposed to be always wet and moisturized all the year into the dry.
I think things like blue carbon, for example, is a very hot topic. Things like that are being funded, and as a philanthropic organization, I mean, we are still quite new in the nature-based solutions space.
And we need to look at that. So this is also why we are calling for this creation of a task team, of a multi-stakeholder task team between scientists, businesses, and decision makers.